Look at this little gem I found today. I've walked a fair way, sweating like a pig. Crossed a couple of really small, basically springs, and then I thought, shit, is that all it's going to be? Then we got to this, about third cast, just got a lovely little brown. Awesome. My phone's stuffed up today, so I wasn't even going to film today. But I brought the GoPro so I could take some photos. But if this ended up becoming a video, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Cheers. Just wet my hand. This is the second one out of this little pool here. Just went up a bit round. There's a little rock there. Just went round to the right there. Then we got this bugger on the striped tiger 2-inch bug in the black caviar. See you, mate. I'm not sure if I should keep on going upstream or I should duck downstream and come back up to here. I'm not sure. I haven't got a lot of time, so there we go. I literally could just see him feeding off the top there. Didn't even do the best cast. Flicked out just to the left of him and he just absolutely demolished that. And he's the biggest one so far. Probably around that 25 centimeters. Big heads on him out here. Look at the head on him. What a beautiful fish. Here, so you can see me. Get the pliers out. Get this out. What a beautiful stream. Like I've literally been here for about 10 minutes. And I was thinking that, strike tiger, just drop it in. We've got a few crickets around at the moment. I think I've said that in previous videos. But what a beautiful brown trout. Don't get any rainbows up here. We'll try and do an underwater for us, eh? And get these. Oh, the pliers have had a tangle. Are they going to stay there? Oh, tiny fish, tiny little thing. Oh, good cast. Here we go, come on. Up him. Oh. Probably only got a few more little holes to go, so I might actually change this plastic, put a new one on, see how that goes. Cheers, guys. I think I got real lucky at the start. They just hooked up, and now I'm just dropping them. Still good fun. Next bit looks nice. Like I said before, I'm not going to go too much further. Oh, yep. Number 4. Let's say that one's landed. Wet the hand. Solid trout for this little creek. Look at the colours on them. It's amazing. Check out that little fin at the back. Look at the colours on it. Amazing. I have to get a photo of this one too, I reckon. So I've just walked back to my starting point and I've just gone past it like maybe 100 meters. It looked like a nice, it's not overly slow, but it's not overly fast. Hopefully I get a few more on my way back up. But yeah, got a couple of captures on the video, so that was pretty arsey of me. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subbed, please sub, and yeah, drop some comments. We just want to hear your comments. Cheers.